Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. So today video will be focusing on the flexibility of the hamstring and your calf. So a lot of people who are athletes or people who are not flexible, people who are like from the childhood are very tight on their hamstring and calf, will not be able to bend forward, or if you are doing any exercise you will not be able to bend forward or reach to your toes. So I'll be teaching that how to get flexible on your hamstring and calf. So it's simple exercise guys, you can do it anytime, anywhere. So all you need is a normal, like any resistance band or a yoga belt, or you can use your at home you can use a stool. So anything, whatever you have, you can use it. Okay, there is no restriction on that. Okay, now go on, now sit. Okay, now both legs straight. Okay, so Sanidhi and I am using both are using a yoga belt. You can use either a stall at home, otherwise a resistance band, otherwise a normal belt. Okay, now what you have to do, the first one, feet pointing towards you. Okay, take this belt. Okay, so Sanidhi will be doing for the beginner level. I'll be doing for the advanced. So what she'll be doing, she's keeping her back straight and pulling. What I'll be doing, I'll be interlocking my hands here. Okay, pulling the belt towards me by pointing the feet back. Hold here for 15 seconds. In any posture, hold and breathe. So if you are not feeling the stretch still, what you can do is you can interlock still closer, and you can still pull, so that you feel more stretch on your hamstring and calf. Okay, now the next one, bend your right leg, don't put it inside, bend your right leg, give a touch to your left thigh, just give a touch. Same thing, put a belt here in. Okay, interlock always, feet pointing towards you, and hold and breathe. Always while stretching you should always breathe, never hold your breath. 15 seconds. Change leg. Now bend your left leg, put the left feet beside your right thigh, back, interlock, stretch. So people who are doing first time can follow Sanidhi. As the day progresses, as you get used to that, you don't feel much stretch, you can go deeper by pulling it, interlocking your hands into it, pulling towards you. Okay, back. Now the third one. Now lie down on your back, bend your right leg, put the belt on your feet. Okay, straight. Now always feet pointing towards you, stretch and hold here for 15 seconds. Both the hands. If you want to still feel it, interlock, then stretch again, pull. Again you can go deeper here by interlocking. The same thing here, what you do, hold the belt with the right hand. Okay, now what you have to do is you shift your right leg outwards towards right, how much you can, then feet pointing towards you. Okay, now hold here for 15 seconds. Always breathe while stretching, that's more important. You will be able to hold in postures. Now change leg, same thing on the left, 15 seconds each. Up first, straight 90-degree leg. People who can't feel more stretch, you can bend your knee initially. Okay, we can bend your knee initially if you're a beginner, otherwise keep it straight. Okay, as your day goes, as you become flexible, pull, stretch more by interlocking. Then now from both hands, from your left hand, hold both the belt, okay, on each side. Then slowly on your left, knee straight, okay, hold here. Then straight up, breathe and relax. Okay, so these were the exercise to get flexible on your hamstring and calf. So these are the best exercise which I have covered. You can add it, warm up, cool down before any exercise. You can add it. Make sure you always, important thing is when you run or when you do a cardio session or when you do a Zumba, cardio aerobics, or you go for a walk, make sure you always practice this, because what you do when you do a lot of cardio, your hamstring and calf gets a lot of stiffness. So it's always important, you have to sit and stretch, you have to cool down your body. That's what you say, right? When you finish workout, cool down is very important. So always perform these exercises, because it's very important to be flexible, because if you are flexible, there are less chances of injuries and less chance of lower body injuries like knee pain, because if your hamstring are tight, you may have chances of getting knee pain. So practice these exercises, including any workout. Before warm up also you can do it, and after cool down though it's a must. These exercises are the must. So hope you get the benefit, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.